Okay, so this is silly things that just happen while we're driving along. And I was just taking pictures out the window, and I was saying to myself, the wind was really whipping. And I was like, oh my God, I hope it doesn't rip it out of my hand. And then I went from that to, oh, if I had the GoPro outside and something hit the GoPro, it would rip my hand right off. And then I started thinking, shit, I'd have to say, tourniquet, 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 so that Aaron would get a tourniquet on my arm. And then I was thinking, tourniquet, I have a belt on, I can use my belt. And then I went from that to, damn, I had that belt for 20 years. That's the way your mind works sometimes when you're going through a lot of country, and it just goes from one topic to the next. We're getting our national park pass. It's our first national park that we've hit.
Oh.
So we're going to get our first national park pass, and then we're going to go find our boondocking place. We are going through the beginnings of Badlands National Park. This is so awesome. Look how everything changes from just prairie land. Here's one tree. You know, you have to notice the trees because we're going to be missing trees here soon. And now you're into all the spires, and it just looks like sand castles that you could actually climb on because they're rock. Up through the Badlands our RV creeps. I hope we see some bighorn sheep. There on the hillside, what do we see? A bison scratching on a tree. Prairie dogs go pop, pop, pop. People's cars go stop, stop, stop. Here in the Badlands National Park, it gets really windy after dark. Here we are, October in South Dakota at the Badlands. Yesterday, sweating, taking a walk. Today, having to dig back into the recesses of our attic to find our winter clothes. We need more than one long sleeve shirt, and maybe a hat, and maybe some gloves.
That's the hats?
And there it is. Yep, there's the hats and scarves and stuff. And we had to get Shelby's sweaters out. Shelby has her sweater on. Too cold out there. Just winging it in the Badlands. Taking a walk and just looking at how amazing it is out here. How these things have been constructed by water and erosion over millennia, I'm assuming millennia, probably only thousands of years. Don't really know. I'll have to look that one up. We just got here. But just enjoying even the beautiful rocks down at the bottom and how awe-inspiring it is. It's so silent, except for the wind. Absolutely silent. Every so often you might see a little animal or something scurry around, or a few buffalo, or some of those, what do you call the ram ones?
Rams.
Rams.
Bighorn sheep, I think.
Bighorn sheep. Oh, my lips are a little numb. It's kind of cold. But it's still absolutely awe-inspiring. It's really, really pretty. If you ever get the chance, you can boondock right there.
No, I'm not sure.
Nope, 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 nope. Looking for any little outcropping you can. Steeper than it looks. Just winging it here. We're just winging it down to Wall Drug today because it's so cold outside. It's either that, watch a movie, play games, which we'll probably do later. Look at these fancy boots.
I mean, it's good looking boot now.
From Corral, $260. Fancy. Even the inside feels like butter. Let's see, when I got rid of my stuff at home, let me think, how many shoes, boots did I get rid of? Three pairs of cowboy boots I got rid of. And here we are looking at cowboy boots. Coffee's 5 cents. Donuts $2.50. Up on the hilltop, would we see buffalo scratching on? Up on the hilltop, would we see buffalo scratching on a tree? Prairie dogs.
Something pop, pop, pop.
No, be quiet. I messed up. Here in the Badlands, what do you know? Ooh, I saw some buffalo. Okay, good. Save that part.